Let's take a look at creating some simple geometry in RouterCAD, kind of give you an overview of how RouterCAD works. I'm just going to type in circle in the command line and click in the screen, and that's going to select the center of the circle, and I'm going to give it a radius of 8 inches. So there's my circle. I can hold my mouse key on it, it'll tell me what it is. I'm going to copy that circle. I'm just going to type copy in the command line and select what I want to copy, which is the circle. And I'm going to move it 16.5 inches. Give me room for the tool to come in around it. I'll move the second one to 33 inches. And if I just right click, that gets rid of the last circle. So I'm going to select the circle here. I'm going to give it a depth of the thickness of the material I want to cut. I'm going to say minus 0.75. And I'm going to deselect that circle by hitting the escape key. I'm going to come here and select or type in offset, because I want to put an offset in this circle. I want to click on the circle. I'm going to tell I want an offset of 2 inches, a 2-inch border. So there's your 2 inches. And on the last one, I want to do the same thing, but I want to create this offset differently. I'm going to just type in 2 inches again and accept that. So now we have 3 circles here. Okay, so on the first circle, I just want to cut that out. So RouterCAD is going to go ahead and just cut that out for you. On the next one, though, I want to come in here. I want to make this a female cut. So it's layer knowledge association. So I'm going to select the layer name on the left-hand side. I'll make it a 3/8 female. And I'm also going to tell it to the depth I want to cut that line. So I'm going to say a minus 0.75, because I'm going to cut all the way through. And so we have the second circle set. So on the third circle, I don't want to cut it through. I want to make a dado. So I want to select the geometry, select a 1/2 inch dado, and I want to give it a thickness. I want it to dado. I want to say minus 0.25. So I want a 1/4 inch thick dado there. So I've got these 3 circles made. Now I just want to create the G-code for it. So I want to select the G-code button, draw a window around all 3 of them, and right click. And so now I'm going to tell it to display the code. So if you look, what it's done on the first circle, it's come in and just cut it out. That's all it did. It's just come in, took a 3/8 cutter and cut it out. On the second circle, it cut out the outside of the circle and the inside of the circle. And they cut out the inside first and then cut out the outside of the circle. And on the last circle, it came in, obviously cut it out, but it also came in and used a 1/2 inch cutter to create a dado or a pocket inside the circle. And on the right-hand side here, on the left-hand side here, you just see the G-code that's created. I just kind of want to give you a simple overview of some of the features and how easy it is to work with RouterCAD and RouterCAM to make your geometry and cut your shapes out. Thank you for watching the video.